I'm actually on my way to a pool party, and so you know, like, this top is really cute, but it has no support at all, which I don't care about because I'm just getting in the pool. I don't care about the top not having support, but for those who kind of like want like a lift, you know, you would have to use like some type of boob tape. Now, I tried this other brand back in June, and I had all kind of problems with that tape. It really didn't work out, but we're gonna try Busties today, okay? Let me see. So it has this looks like almost like an ace bandage type of look, and then it's these nipple flowers. What else is in here? Oh, that's cute. They give you a little dust bag and some more nipple flowers, which is like the same kind of color and material as the tape. And then what else? You get a how to apply little instruction thing, and I think, okay, this is, I guess, just to probably, I don't know if this is something to wipe yourself dry or something. I don't know what this other one is. Let me look at the manual real quick. Okay, so with the tape, I don't know if you all can, hold on, let me see. I mean, with the manual, can you see how, I guess this is showing how the tape can be like, you see how she has that across her chest? Do not wear breast tape for more than 8 hours, and don't expose it to sun or heat. Well, then I'm not gonna be able to wear this. I'm gonna be outside in the pool and the sun. Completely saturate the tape in oil. Use enough oil to soak through the adhesive, and it starts loosening. That's how you remove it. Okay. Also, they did give a 15% off code that I'm gonna share with you all. Protect. Apply a satin nipple cover. Oh, that's just for protection, the satin nipple cover. But you are supposed to prep your skin. Make sure the skin is dry. Y'all see that where it says seamless, where you just put the tape and then draw it back around the back? Because my back is out, completely out with this. It's no back. So, ooh, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to really show y'all if this is going to work today, because I don't have enough coverage. I will have to show you all with another top. So I'm just gonna, yeah, I gotta go, but I'm gonna come back. Hopefully tonight I can come back and then I can just use another top, because yeah, the ways that they're saying to tape this, it's impossible to use with this type of swim top. Okay, so I will be back if I can later. Okay, so I'm back. It's nighttime. I found just one of my old blouses, and I'm gonna try this boob tape. I am not going to use the nipple cover because that's just for protection, you know, just in case, I guess you don't want, you know how it can tend to protrude. So if you don't want that to show, I'm taking it that's what the nipple covers are for. Pretty much this is just how they sit naturally. Okay, so I think what I'm gonna do is do it this way. Anyway, I'm just gonna do I'm gonna do one side and we could just see what it looks like. Okay, so I don't know if this is gonna show on camera the way I need it to show. I take this side up and then this side is regular. So like this, my, you know, breast is sitting here. This one is pulled up some. I don't know if I can show you this without, so you can see where I took it. Now I probably could have pulled it up even higher, but one thing I will say, be careful with this tape, because if it sticks to, it can stick to itself. So you have to be careful and make sure it doesn't stick to itself when you peel off the barrier film. I don't know if I did this right. That's the only thing. So I did the peekaboo. I don't know if I really did the right method or not for this, because I don't know if you can see the difference that this one is higher. Hopefully you can. This one is higher, this one is lower. Like my nipple is kind of like right up in here versus my nipple is right here without the tape, okay? So all in all, I like this tape. I think you have to play around and find out which tape method is best for you. But if I want a little lift, I like this. I think I would have brought the tape more over this because I feel like my chest is bulging some on this side, but it did provide lift. This tape is much easier to work with than the tape that I had on my birthday. Much easier. Like I had a headache working with that other tape. I was sweating. It wasn't sticking. It was almost like just regular duct tape. This one, as you can see, is more like an ace bandage. This one is much more secure, much more comfortable. And again, it gives you instructions on how to remove the tape safely, because it does have like a nice strong hole. I'm getting ready to take mine off immediately, so I don't know if I will need oil to remove mine, but you can use the oil to remove it because you don't want to mess up your skin removing this tape. Okay, so all in all, I give this tape a thumbs up. Again, already just off function alone, I'm telling you, the other one was just like a duct tape, like a clear duct tape, trash. The other one was pure trash and it did not give me whole. This one, I can tell you now, is going to lift you and is going to keep you lifted, and you don't have to worry about it moving unless maybe you are exposed to like water or extreme heat. And as I was telling you all earlier, that's why I could not wear this tape, because I knew I was going to be in heat and I knew that I was going to be in water, okay? So all in all, I give this tape a thumbs up. Yes, I will recommend this. Yes, I will use this. Also, I will give you a coupon code that they shared with me. I will share that with you all below. This store is in Amazon, and hopefully you have good luck with it. If you do try this tape, you can always come back to this video or message me privately to let me know what you thought about it, and I will see you out on the next video.